Hello my people, you are welcome back to FY Tanjuma Farm. On this episode of today, we are going to be taking you through on seed preparation for your soybean plant. But before you do that, as a commercial farmer or as a farmer coming up, it is good that you make use of good breed of seed which can be obtained from different seed production companies. This will help you to achieve a potential of maximum yield on your farmland. Also, a good farming practice is advisable. But at the same time, you are also advised to make use of nodule marks. A nodule marks is an inoculant which helps the soybean in nitrogen fixation. This can be gotten from International Institute of Tropical Agriculture, IITA. After you are done with that, it is advisable for you to know the procedures to be used for these nodule marks on your soybean seed. But at the same time, after this has been gotten, you are advised to sort your seed also so as to remove the damaged ones. After you are done with that, the next thing is to unseal the sachet of your nodule marks gotten from IITA, where you find a gum arabic inside the sachet and then the nodule marks. The gum arabic is supposed to be put in 200 ml of warm water. After you are done with that, you take a 10 kg of your soybean, so that you can be able to put it in the same bowl that you have already mixed your gum arabic that have been dissolved completely, so that you can be able to turn the seed inside the water so that it can be able to gum to the soybean seed. When you are done with that, the next step is to remove your nodule marks and then pour it on the seed that is already in the bowl. After you are done with that, you ensure that you mix it uniformly until all the seed that are inside have been able to be coated with the nodule marks. After you are done with that, it is advisable to look for a cloth or something to cover the seed that you have already inoculated for at least 10 minutes. And also at the same time, try to avoid direct sunlight to the seed, because this is a biofertilizer. It is almost like a living organism to this seed that you are going to be using to plant on your farmland. After 10 minutes, then you can be able to remove your seed and then you can plant as soon as possible. You plant immediately, not allowing it to stay long before you plant, so that when you plant it, it can be able to absorb the moist on the farmland, and then you should be able to expect 30 to 40% boost of your yield because of the use of these nodule marks. Thank you, and stay tuned for the next episode of planting our soya by giving the spacing that is required for maximum result. Thank you.